Over the past 90 days, my channel has received 287,307 views with over 3,000 people subscribed over the past 90 days and $2,466 with 68 cents in YouTube ad revenue. So now what I'm going to show you is for the month, the first month of 2020. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. In 2019, I created this video series where I will show you guys how much money I was making on a monthly basis from the YouTube ad revenue. Now I'm going to link to the playlist below in the description if you guys want to see my progress throughout 2019 as my channel actually grew. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how much money I made for the first month of 2020. Now if you guys want me to keep making this type of videos because you're curious about how much money you could make with a very small YouTube channel like the one that I have less than 20,000 subscribers on my channel, then what I want you to do is to just comment below. Let me know if you want me to continue to make this type of videos to show you guys what's possible on YouTube. Now, the one thing that I have learned from YouTube so far is that you should never rely on a single source of income. So when it comes to YouTube ad revenue, one month it's going to be really high and the next month you're not going to make as much money. So it's really not about how many subscribers you have, even if you're getting more subscribers to your channel on a monthly basis, because what really drives how much money you make from the YouTube ad revenue program is basically how many views you can get on a monthly basis. And not only that, what is the CPM on your channel? So even if you get lots of views but you have a very low CPM of about $1 to $2 per 1,000 views, you're still not going to make a lot of money. But for some channels like mine, you don't need to get lots of views in order to make some good money. So for example, I can get a CPM anywhere between $20 to $25 for every 1,000 views. That's mainly because of the topic of my videos, the main niche of my channel. The things that I talked about in my videos are mainly about business, making money online, affiliate marketing, and those things tend to pay a lot more money when it comes to YouTube advertising. So that makes a huge difference for a small channel like mine, mainly because I'm not getting that many views compared to the big guys out there, but I'm still able to make some money. And one of the main things that I keep telling my audience is that you should never rely on just the YouTube ad revenue. You should diversify as much as possible by selling your own products and services, by promoting affiliate products. And if you want to learn more techniques about how to make money selling other people's products or doing affiliate marketing on YouTube, I'm going to link to my free affiliate marketing guide below, which can teach you how you can make money selling other people's products through affiliate marketing and how you can take your business to the next level, perhaps making an extra $50 to $100 per day by simply promoting other people's products. So if you guys want to download it, it's 100% free. You can download it by clicking in the description below. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to jump into my YouTube studio and show you exactly how much money I've made. All right, guys, so we're inside my YouTube studio where I'm going to show you how much money I made last month for the first month of 2020. And as you can see, over the past 90 days, I have made $2,466 with 68 cents. January 2020, and as you can see, for January I had 106,000 views, 1,400 subscribers, and $879 with 23 cents. And what I'm hoping is that in 2020 I'll be able to just double or triple my YouTube ad revenue to the point where it becomes a full-time income. So basically last month was my biggest month when it comes to YouTube ad revenue. For 2020, my goal is to reach at least $3,000 to $5,000 per month just from the YouTube ad revenue alone. And I know it's not gonna be easy. I'm gonna have to step up my game when it comes to thumbnails, ranking videos on YouTube, getting more suggested views. And it's gonna be a lot of work, but it's gonna be well worth it. Mainly because it's not just about the money, it's about influence, it's about building your brand. And if you're starting a YouTube channel right now, the best tip that I can give you is stay consistent. Upload videos every single week if possible. If you want me to continue to make this type of videos showing you guys exactly how my YouTube channel is growing, how much money I'm making from the YouTube ad revenue, post your comments below and let me know that you want me to continue to make this type of videos. With that said, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.